can be found high above the forest floor of Papua New Guinea. Everything about these ostentatious birds has been fashioned by countless generations of difficult-to-please hens. Dawn breaks with their noisy clamour, so the dowdy females can easily locate the groups of displaying males. They visit one site after another, judging each individual by his performance. Their arrival causes a flurry of excitement. At each site, one male occupies a central position which is more attractive to the hens. It takes 7 years before the males mature and acquire their ravishing plumes. By contrast, the hens are ready to mate much sooner and tend to outnumber the males. Display perches are used year after year, but only the most virile males hold the best position. The majority are doomed never to breed. This male is lucky, but even now, at the moment of mating, he cannot be absolutely sure that he'll father the female's next brood.